Hi class. All right, today we're going to do our day 2 notes, and today we are going to focus on specifically the transformation called translations. Okay, remember a translation is when you take a shape and you just move it. So this picture of all these sailboats, you'll notice they're all exactly the same. They have just been moved. This one's moved up, you could say it's moved down, moved sideways. Okay, it's just been translated along that picture right there. Okay, so when we do translations within a coordinate plane, all we're doing is taking our shape and moving it to a new spot. So what we want to be able to do is describe which direction is my shape moving. So when I have to describe this translation below, I need to first realize, well, where do I start at? So you'll notice if you look at your two triangles, they have the same 3 letters, A, B, and C, but this one has the little apostrophes on it. So this is the prime. That means this is the after. This is your image, and this is your pre-image, your original. So we started here, and we're going from here to that shape, okay? So we want to describe, how do I go from here to here? The easiest way to describe how to go from one to another is to pick one of your corners, such as the A, and talk about how far does it move left or right, and how far does it move up or down to get there. So I'm going to start right here at A, and I'm going to count over. So to go over this way, I've got to go this many spots over to get to A prime. So let's count. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. And it's going this direction, which would be to the left. Okay? And then to go up to this spot, we have to go up this many spots. So let's count. That would be 1, 2, 3 spots up. Okay? So if I'm describing how to go from this shape to this shape, it goes 5 left and 3 up. So 5 left and 3 up. Okay, and that should work from any point that we pick. So say I go to B. If I go 5 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 up, 1, 2, 3, boom, there's your B prime. Okay, same on C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3 up. Okay? So the description of the translation is wanting you to describe which direction it's going to go from one spot to the other. All right? So over in this picture, I can do just the opposite. I have my original quadrilateral, and I want to move it 2 units to the left and then 1 unit down. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to each point, and I'm going to literally count 2 units left and 1 down from that point. So if I start with A, I'm going to go 2 to the left, 1, 2, and then 1 down, and boom. There's my new A, or A prime. We want to put the marking on there, okay? And then my B. Go 2 to the left, 1, 2, and 1 down. There's my new B prime. Now you might be noticing, well, that looks a little weird. It's inside the other one. Well, sometimes if it doesn't move very much, it might overlap with the original. All right, let's do that with the C. 2 to the left, and 1 down. B right here, C prime. And then my D. 2 to the left, and 1 down. There's my D prime. All right, so now if we connect these, you should notice that it should look exactly like your original shape, just slid over, again, 2 to the left and 1 down. Okay, you might want to mark on there how we found one of the points. So we went over 2 to the left and 1 down in order to get to our new spot. All right, and that is how you draw a translation.